Alright folks, today I'm diving into the review of these bad boys, the Raycon Everyday Earbuds. These were sent to me to try out, and spoiler alert, I'm about to tell you why these earbuds might just become your new best buds. Pun intended. Let's go. Getting into packaging here, and cut this open real quick. First things up is the instruction manual and warranty card. We'll get to the actual headphones in a second. Behind that is a USB charging cable and all of your different sizes and multiple versions of your earphones to make them fit in your ears. The sticker. Let's talk about this case. It's compact, smooth, and dare I say oddly satisfying to hold. It's like it was designed for the kind of person who keeps losing stuff. Not naming names, but definitely me. But seriously, this case is like a vault for your earbuds. And it's dust-proof and water-resistant. Fancy, right? The fit. Oh my gosh, the fit. After what I can only imagine was a worldwide ear scanning expedition, Raycon nailed it. These things sit in my ears like they were custom made for me. No slipping, no falling, and absolutely no weird ear pinching. Thank you, science. And let's talk about the noise canceling. I'm filming this just down the road from the Air Force Base where the F-35 strike fighters are taking off and landing every few minutes. And these jets are loud, like rattle your teeth loud. But these everyday earbuds, they quiet all that down so I can still hear my music or take a call without shouting, "What?" every 5 seconds. Amazing. Now, Raycon has another model designed specifically for workouts. And honestly, these everyday earbuds are crushing at the gym. I've done stair-stepping, weightlifting, bike riding, sauna, questionable dance moves in these, and they haven't buzzed yet. Plus, they're water resistant, so a little sweat is no big deal. Let's just say they're keeping up with all my gym shenanigans. And speaking of keeping up, let's talk about battery life. Quick charge? Oh yeah. 10 minutes gives you a whopping 1.5 hours of listening time. I mean, if I had $1 for every time I forgot to charge my earbuds and needed a quick boost, I'd probably have enough to buy more of these. And let's not forget, these earbuds are affordable. Raycon gets it. Your wallet deserves a break. Save cash for something really special, like a date night, or more treats for your dog. Priorities. I've been using these for a few days now, and I'm trying to compare them to my other earbuds that I've used in the past. They're pretty great. I like the sleek design. I like how they fit in my ear. They stay in my ear. They don't fall out. I take them to the gym in the mornings, I take them to the sauna, wear them around, walking around here, taking Piper on walks, making phone calls, editing videos. I use them to edit this video right here so I can hear better with all the noise going on around me. So they work great. I'm a huge fan. So thank you, Raycon, for sending these out. Thanks for the opportunity to review these. I really do appreciate it, and I think they are a good deal and a good setup. All the touch button controls on the side and to turn, to pause the music and whatever else, it's you don't have to go to your phone or things like that to use the features. So I really appreciate that too. They also have this protective case. I chose this particular color. They have a myriad of colors you can use. Your case goes into this to keep it protected. It has a little lanyard you can hook onto it, but pretty snazzy setup, easy setup. That pops on there, that pops on there, and there's a bit of double-sided tape inside there so you can make sure that it stays on. Good looking color, good looking case, and I feel protected. There's a QR code here, and it comes with this small instruction book. Teaches you how to do all the ins and outs and what you can touch to turn on, and super easy to pair to your device. They come with multiple size ear pieces so you can fit any size head. And easy. I like them. Check them out. Plus, they offer a 30-day happiness guarantee. So if for some wild reason you're not happy, you can return them. And trust me, you're going to love them. So what are you waiting for? Click on my link down below to get your very own set today.